Listen, it's 2021 and love it or hate it, social media is not going anywhere. Now more than ever, it's being used not just as a networking platform, but as a search engine. So it's never been easier to build a business on there than right now. In this video, I'm going to share with you the 3 best ways to make money on Instagram so you can monetize your account like me and so many other people. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Natalie, CEO and co-founder of BOSSBABE. So if you're new here, this channel is all about supporting ambitious women. I share no BS, straight to the point strategies on building a personal brand, growing on social media, and starting an online business. I put out so much free content, and one of the best ways you can support me in continuing to do that is by clicking subscribe and joining our amazing growing community. So first things first, let me bust a myth. You don't need to be an influencer or have a big following to make money on Instagram. You just don't. There are so many ways to build a business on social media, and in this video, I'm going to share with you 3 ways in which you can do just that. So if you have an idea, you can turn it into income. I and countless of my clients and millions of other people are living proof of that. I first started generating revenue on Instagram in 2014, and although a lot's changed since then, I hand on heart believe that the 3 things I'm about to share with you are the most effective, efficient ways to make money on Instagram. And should I tell you the best bit? You don't need to be some sort of marketing or sales genius. You don't need to be a business guru, and you don't even need a budget to get started. Let's dive in. One of the ways to get started making money on Instagram, if you have something to offer in a one-to-one capacity, is one-to-one coaching or consulting. You don't need any money to start up, and you can make money right away because you can charge higher prices for that if you know what you can add. You don't need systems or processes to get started working with people one-on-one. You don't need a fancy funnel, a sales page, or a website. You can sell via captions and close sales in the DM. If you have access to a computer, you can be a coach or a consultant if you have the knowledge you know you want to offer. All you need is a Zoom room and Google Drive if you want to set exercises for your client to complete between calls. With a coaching or consulting offer, you can start acquiring clients from social media in a matter of weeks. The knowledge industry is one of the fastest growing industries in the world, and it's exponentially growing because of recent shifts to the current climate, not in spite of them. In this digital day and age, online education is becoming the new normal. People want information and they're looking for it on the internet. This takes more time to set up than one-on-one coaching or consulting with clients because it requires more systems and processes, but it might be well worth your while doing because it's more scalable. So if you have an idea for a digital education product and you know you can add value, you wouldn't be exchanging your time for money. You're creating a product once, marketing it, and selling it time and time again. So really think about what is it you have to offer in the knowledge industry. If you're looking to earn a passive income, then creating an online course or a digital program could be the way to do that. And there's never been a more important time to teach people on the internet than now. Could you teach people how to learn the piano or how to style themselves? If you have a service and you have a digital product like courses or ebooks, and there's one other thing you could sell on social to make money, and that's physical products. With drop shipping, selling physical products is easier than ever. You don't need a ton of capital to buy product upfront and sell on. You can order on demand and get started the slow way. This takes a lot of the commitment out of it. By not buying stock or inventory, you don't have the worry or fear that you won't be able to shift it, and you simply set up a shop online, and that's your first step. So if you're unsure how that works, I'll break it down for you really quickly. Firstly, your customer places an order from your online store, a place where you've curated a ton of products that you love. After that, your online store sends the order to the drop shipping supplier, which is usually a wholesaler or manufacturer who will fulfill it. Then the supplier prepares your order and ships it directly to the customer's address. Physical products could often be the least expensive of all 3 offers that we talked about, which means that you do need a larger audience to make the same kind of money. I'm really curious which types of these products resonates with you the most, and which would you pick and why? Let me know in the comments. It'll really depend on what your zone of genius is, what your value is, what kind of impact you have on the world. Before you tell me you can't do this or find reasons or excuses why you can't make money online, let me assure you that I get it. I've been there. Starting a business can be scary, and it can be hard to know what to do, how to do it, and even who to trust. I've spent the last 4 or 5 years building BOSSBABE, and along the way, I made plenty of mistakes, but the thing that allowed me to be successful was investing in myself and surrounding myself with a network of like-minded entrepreneurs. If I never made the decision to start, give myself the chance to fail along the way, or commit to learning, BOSSBABE wouldn't be a household name. It wouldn't be trusted by, over 120,000 boss babes, or be the multi-million-dollar company that it is today. We have created an exclusive community of ambitious women. It's called The Society. And inside The Society, you'll connect with the women who are on the same path as you. Whether you're starting a business of your own or pursuing the career of your dreams, not only will you connect with other ambitious women just like you, but we've built out an entire educational platform to support you on your journey. So this is a really exclusive membership. So if you want to join, make sure you click the link in the description below and get in there while you can. With all that said, thank you so much for watching, guys. If there are any topics that you would like me to cover on this channel, drop me a comment in the comment section below and I will see you next week.